Greetings from beautiful White Sands National Park in sunny southern New Mexico. See why the park is a place like no other on Earth and is a marvel to study, to experience, and to explore. Experience the unique and vast landscapes, learn about the area's biodiversity, hear about the park's many great features, and discover why you should come on over for a visit. The park is located in the Tularosa Basin in southern New Mexico at the north end of the Chihuahuan Desert. It's flanked by the Sacramento Mountains to the east and the San Andreas Mountains to the west. The park is open daily, year-round, except for Thanksgiving and Christmas Day. I visited on February 16th, President's Day, at the end of a 3-day weekend. It was the first of 10 fee-free days this year at national parks and BLM areas. I thought the park would have been packed because it was a holiday and the cooler season, but there were only a moderate amount of people and there was plenty of parking at the visitor center. It was unusually hot in February. It was 82 degrees and there were signs that said don't hike when it's above 85 degrees, but it felt almost like spring. And while the gypsum sand is cool to the touch, it's reflective of the sun's rays. But it was a beautiful day. The sky was blue. There were white clouds. It really was an iconic landscape and place to visit. I hiked at the first trail, the Dune Life Nature Trail. It's a 1-hour loop. There were lots of plants, lots to see. I walked up and down the dunes. There were footprints and wildlife tracks all over the sand. There were trail markers, there were educational signs, there was all kinds of things to look at. There were all kinds of things to explore. The views and panoramas were beautiful. Everyone has heard the motto, leave no trace, but have you ever heard of don't bust the biological crust? It felt really great to be out there, to be outdoors, and to be connected to nature, and it was so inspirational. According to Wikipedia, there's more than 600 invertebrates, 300 plants, 250 birds, 50 mammals, 30 reptiles, 7 amphibians, and 1 fish species that inhabits the park. Most everything is active at night or at twilight, at dusk and dawn. According to the park's website, the golden hours in the park are around 2 hours after sunrise and the same before sunset. Every day is different. Sometimes there are crystal clear views of the surrounding mountains, and sometimes there are awesome cloud formations that change hues by the minute. It's a really harsh environment, but it's amazing that life exists everywhere in the park. There was Soaptree yucca everywhere, and yucca is the state flower for New Mexico. There was saltbush, Hoary rosemary mint, rubber rabbitbrush, and I was able to film all of those. There was also cottonwoods, cactus, grasses, and many others. According to the park's website, very few trees and shrubs can thrive in the White Sands. After all, the dune field is a desert within a desert. Most of the water here is salty and alkaline, and the very ground for the plants to take root in is often on the move, blowing dunes of gypsum sand. Still, there are hardy survivors. Shrubs and trees like Hoary rosemary mint, skunk bush sumac, Rio Grande cottonwood can hold on to the moist sands with their roots, forming pedestals beneath their foliage. The dunes can move anywhere from a few feet to 10 feet to up to 40 feet in a year, and there's a low surface water table. And the Soaptree yucca, in particular, uses stem elongation to stay above the advancing dunes. There's so many great activities at the park, including coming for a picnic, sledding, backcountry hiking, concerts after dark, tours of Lake Lucero, and so much more. There's opportunities to see all the plants, the animals, to learn about paleontology, including prehistoric footprints, archaeology, geology, hydrology. Nearby attractions include Lake Holloman, Oliver Lee Memorial State Park, Lincoln National Forest, Oregon Mountains Desert Peak National Monument. There's plenty of things to do in Alamogordo, Cloudcroft, Tularosa, the Mescalero Apache Reservation, and also nearby there's Ruidoso, Las Cruces, and El Paso. The only other national park in New Mexico is Carlsbad Caverns, and New Mexico has many national monuments, including cliff dwellings, pueblos, volcanoes, petroglyphs, fossilized footprints, old missions, and old forts. There's also National Historic Trails, National Heritage Areas, there's 35 state parks, 7 state-run historic sites, and so many designated wilderness areas. I hope you enjoyed the video. My goal in filming, photographing, and writing about our local natural areas and about native plants is to document, to educate, and to celebrate what we have. There's always something unique and interesting wherever you go, and here in the Tularosa Basin in southern New Mexico, one of the things to be cherished is White Sands National Park. There's also a lot more videos on my channel about lots of different local topics, so be sure to check them out. And until next time, take it easy.